Hello mga ka-safety mindset, Elizardo Mercado here. Nako, meron akong good news para sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay nagnanais or gusto mong magkaroon ng NIBOSH, Level 6 International Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management System, pagkakataon mo na, wag mo itong palapasin. Panoorin mo to. Meron palang diploma scholarship. Paano ka makasali? This is Michael Adamson NIBOSH Diploma Scholarship that will support academic and career progression for aspiring health and safety practitioner. So baka ikaw na yon, kabayan. Baka ikaw na yon. Okay? 20 recipient. Okay? 7 national UK and 13 international learners. Madami, 13. Okay, baka mamaya dalawang kabayan, dalawang Nigeria, African, dalawang Indiano. Pagkakataon mo na, huwag mo itong palapasin, kabayan. So, paano ba tayo makakasali dito? I-discuss natin, okay? Now, itong scholarship na to was named in memory of Michael Adamson, who lost his life in a preventable workplace incident back in 2005. And his sister Lois is dedicated to sharing Michael's story and campaigning for better occupational health and safety. So, napakagandang advocacy. Now, key dates. Pag-usapan natin kung kailan. Actually, nag-start to nung May 28 pa, last week. And the application will close on June 12, UK local time. So, wag mo tong palampasin. Okay? Recipient will be notified on or before July 2. Malalaman mo na kung ikaw ba ang napili. Public announcement of 2026 scholarship recipient will be on July 14, 2026. And the winner must begin their study before this date, which is October 31, 2026. So, kailangan mo na mag-start kung ikaw, kabayan, ang napili. Okay? Of course, may requirement dito sa scholarship na to. And the applicant must answer all the questions, provided all required information, and meet the minimum criteria. Ano ba yung minimum criteria? Which is NIBOSH General Certificate. So, kung may NIBOSH IGC ka, pasok ka. Eligible ka dito na makasali sa scholarship at mapili. So, you will be considered for judging. Now, there's a lot of expert panel here. There's 5 panels from different country and napakaganda nitong programa. Sumali ka. How to apply? The deadline, of course, will be on July 12. Now, it's July 4. July 4 ba? Yes. Sorry, it's June 4 ngayon. So, hanggang July 12 na lang may pagkakataon ka pa. Paano ka makapag-submit ng application mo? Ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. Simulan mo na. Huwag ka na mag-aksaya ng panahon. Kung NIBOSH IGC ka, mag-fill up ka. At my number 1 recommendation is don't use AI. Don't use ChatGPT. Basta mag-fill up ka lang. Kung mali man yung grammar mo, paayos mo mamaya. Ayusin mo after that. Pero answer it with your heart. Baka mamaya ikaw ang mapili. Diba? So there's a lot of questions here. And it's very easy. You just need to understand the question and answer it with your heart. Diba nga? So, this is Michael's story. Very inspiring. I recommend to read it. Maybe you can use that for your training or maybe meetings. There's terms and condition also. I would recommend to read those terms. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? NIBOSH Diploma Scholarship 2026. Baka ikaw na yon. Mahal din ang diploma, kaya wag mong aksahin ang pagkakataon na to. Baka mamaya ikaw ang mapili. Ang diploma dito sa abroad is around 5 to 7,000 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Depende sa mode of study. Kung face-to-face, kung online, kung e-learning, syempre mas mura. It will be around 70 to 90,000. So imagine kung nasa Pinas ka, may NIBOSH IGC ka, hindi naman tayo basta-basta makapaglabas ng ganong kalaking pera, di ba? And this is not 100 guaranteed na makakapasa ka. So, medyo mabigat talaga sa bulsa. Kaya, kung may IGC ka, pasok ka sa criteria, fill upan mo na. And my number one advice, don't use your friend ChatGPT. So, good luck sa'yo. At kung ikaw ang mapili, baka naman magpakape ka. At kung nakapasa ka, baka naman magpa-Jollibee ka. Huwag mo tayong kalimutan si safety mindset. So, good luck sa'yo, kabayan. Bye-bye.